I can hear you breathing. I'm joking. So, hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the silent eating challenge. Today we're gonna be doing the silent eating challenge. Hey guys! Today we're gonna be doing the silent eating challenge. So, how it works, we have different types of food, candy, drinks, whatever. Different things that are consumable. So basically we have this mic right here, and as you can see as I talk, there are numbers. So if that number over 65, then I have to do this. So my goal is not to like eat too loud that goes over 65, but if it does, this thing right here, a torture device from 1220 BC. This is like a lie detector for kids apparently, but it made an old man scream.
I'm not that old.
So basically, it's like random. It happened randomly. I don't think it really like. You get it. So basically, it shocks you if you lie. So let's say, ask me a question.
Are you a girl?
So basically, that could happen because it's random. Anyways, let's start. Pickles! Oh! This is not count. I mean,
No, you're good.
I consumed it.
Good job.
Okay.
Okay, that's one down.
That's scared. You're mean. Ramen noodles.
What?
Ramen noodles. That's what it's called.
Oh.
I'm good. Here's the real sound. It's scrumptious. Girl, bye. Popcorn. I'm done. Or that's not the crunchy one. Okay. This is good. Okay, next one. After that, I'm gonna drink some water. Lower. ask you a question? How much is this right now?
65.
Go bye. My toes itch. I'm scared. Okay. Bro, this is so racist. Why would you do a minute? They decided to be cruel to me and give seaweed to me in only under a minute. And it's so hard to open because it's really loud. So now I have to do this. I also went over 65. So let's go. What if I accidentally curse? Girl!
It's calibrating.
Ask me a question!
Yes.
Do you like cheese?
Did you feel it? Okay. That means you're telling truth. Even though,
Oh, it's a question.
I don't know.
I did not get shot, so let's continue.
Ready? Yay! Good job. That was good.
Ew, girl, you smell.
Okay. Next one. Close your ears.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Oh. Bro, where's the big one? You're safe.
So she has to eat half of it.
Hold on. I'm not prepared. I want pickle. Okay. How much is that?
This is 60. Well, you're talking, so. Okay, 3, 2.
Done?
Good job. Oh, okay, she's still going.
She likes pickles.
Yeah.
Alright. Next up is me a burp.
Ready?
Hold up. I'm a messy eater when it comes to fruit. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I'm done.
Oh.
It's my nose bleeding. I smell the blood. How much was that?
70.
Girl, but how much was that?
83. 83.
Bro, why is it? Why is it? Go, bye.
Okay.
Hey guys, today we're gonna open some surprise blind bags. Fruity fruit snacks. Yeah. Oh,
You have to eat.
the toilet's gonna explode, bro.
You have to eat 5.
Okay.
Oh.
Did I hit it?
66.
I hit it!
Wing. Wing. Wing.
Okay, God, it's on my side today.
That was almost your last one. Okay. Ready?
Yo!
Do you like the Dover twins?
Sure. Yeah. Yo!
Oh, so you like them?
Aww.
See, I told you, God is on my side. Guys, this is nothing else but Mick, okay? This does Mick this shot. It's powdered milk, sweetened powdered milk. I know the label does not look trusty, but it's okay. It's just powdered milk, guys. Where is it? So we have a straw here.
Why would you do this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she likes volleyball.
No, it's calibrated.
Oh, she really likes volleyball. Oh, she very likes it. She likes it very much. Is it true that you like your older sister more than your middle one?
I'm afraid I would like you both. No. See? See, I told you God. It's on my
So,
side.
would you...
Girl! Goodbye.
Do you like Toby?
No, he smells. What if I... Yo, I'm about to slap both of you. I'm going to slap both of you.
Well, I'm pretty sure.
That pain was nothing, yo. Like, I don't know why people are so overdramatic. shocked me. Not physically, but mentally. It shocks you. And I think I kind of cheated, but I didn't even know that I cheated. Because if you turn it off, it like restarts, you know? My... I only got shocked once because, as I said, God is on my side. But thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell so there's any videos I post. Love you so much. Bye.
One more time for the ending.
No, you do it.
For the content.
For the content.
For the
Look at my feet.
content.
But the middle finger is really strong.
For the content.